I drew you.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my god, that's so good.
Excuse me, miss? Miss, I drew you. I did this drawing of you. Are you okay? Sir, I drew you.
Oh my god!
Thank you.
This is so beautiful!
Thank you, thank you. Thank you for your service. I did this painting of you.
You're actually from TikTok?
Yeah, I'm le.Bawn. Oh, really? Oh my god, nice to meet you. Thank you for your service.
Thank you. I just got back. This made my day.
Excuse me, sir. I drew you.
You're like Leonardo da Vinci.
I drew you.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
oh
yeah.
my god, that's so good. You're amazing.
Thank you. I did this drawing of you.
Wait a minute, I've seen you do those videos.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, I've seen
Oh,
a couple of them.
thank you. Where?
Like on Facebook.
Oh, shit.
Look at my eyebrows, my eyelashes. Wow, this just made my day.
Oh, thank you so much.
Can I keep this?
Yeah, of course. Excuse me, sir. I drew you.
Butter my biscuit. You're that young Leonardo guy from the subway. Oh, dude, thanks, man. This is crazy.
Excuse me, sir. I did this drawing of you.
Crikey, mate. What the fuck? Did you just do this?
I just drew that right now.
No. Are you filming me?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I drew you.
You're the guy from TikTok?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yo. Excuse me, miss. I drew you.
Wait, oh my god, are you serious?
Yeah.
You were sitting there drawing me the whole time. I thought you were like a creep looking at me.
Miss, I drew you.
Wait, yeah! It's now!
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for not one way to watch. Oh my god, thank you!
Thank you. you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Miss, I drew you.
Oh my gosh! What? This
Yeah,
is me?
yeah, yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
Even got my earrings.
yeah, yeah. Thank you so
Oh
much.
my god,
Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome.
This is
Thank
so
you.
beautiful.
Thank you. All right.
Wow.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. Excuse me? I did the sketch of you.
Oh my gosh, that's insane. Thank you. Yeah, it's been a really rough year.
This drawing of you.
Sorry, what?
I did this drawing.
Oh my god! Sorry, I was just having like the absolute like worst day ever. I'm so good. I'm fine.
Sir, I did this painting of you.
Oh shit. You did that just now?
Yeah, you can keep it.
Oh shit. Wow, dude, good shit.
Thank you, thank you. You can keep it. I did the Mickey Mouse mask. It was cool.
Oh my god, that is absolutely incredible.
Thank you.
Do you have like an Instagram or like?
Yeah. My Instagram, le.Bawn Rodriguez art.
Okay. Wait.
Sir, I drew you.